What up, YouTube? It's your boy Champ CB7. Right now, I'm gonna share with you how when I first started YouTube, I got from 0 to 10 subscribers. And then I took that 10 and then I got to from 10 to 25 subscribers very quickly. All right? I'm going to share that with you right now. So, in order for me to get to 10 subscribers off the back, what I personally did is I went on Facebook, right? And I reached out to my family, I reached out to my friends, and I got at least 10 people. I messaged a bunch of people. I had at least 10 people respond back to me and tell me, yes, I'll subscribe to your YouTube to get you up and running, right? Regardless if they watch me today or not. That's how I started. I started by asking my friends and family to support my channel off rip, right? So then once I did that, I already had a platform on TikTok started, right? So I had over 1,000 followers on TikTok. What I wound up doing is I went live and I let people know, hey, I'm at 10 subscribers on TikTok. Let's get one person to hit that subscribe button so we can be at 11, right? When I said that, somebody went to Champ CB7, they went to this YouTube channel and they hit the subscribe button. Now I'm at 11, right? Mind you, I was at 0 starting off. I got friends and family to subscribe. We're at 10. Now from TikTok, already off rip, I already got one more subscriber, right? So what wound up happening is I noticed when I asked people to sub up, some people actually did it. And I'm like, okay, so somebody else did it. And somebody else did it. I asked for another one. Someone else did it. I'm like, okay, this is working. I asked for another subscriber. Somebody else did. Repetition. Repetition. I wasn't live for too long, right? At that specific moment, maybe I was live for 30 minutes to an hour. And nowadays, I go live for a very long time, right? So imagine how many subscribers I can actually get by promoting my platform, promoting this platform on another platform, right? So that took me from 0 to 10. And then from 10, I actually wound up getting 25 subscribers by transitioning from just asking friends and family on Facebook and then going to TikTok and making that switch. Whenever I went live and I control what's happening in my live, I have people stopping in and I have them, like I promote. And I think that's the key. Promote, 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 right? Repetition. You keep saying the same thing over and 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 over. Sometimes it can be annoying. However, if you have a goal, never give up. You don't quit. You just keep going. You keep grinding, right? I'm going to share with y'all on the next video how I went from 25 subscribers, right, to doubling that. And I got to 50 subscribers. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. It's your boy Champ CB7. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on that notifications. Go ahead and smash that bell. Appreciate y'all.